everybody? It's Larry Valley, back again doing another vehicle inspection video. Today I'm going to be looking at a 1955 Ford Thunderbird, 2006 Toyota Prius, 2007 Mercedes AMG 550, and whatever else they give me. All that bitterness, a nigga had to let it go. People talking down on me, I guess that's how it go. Let them know, that's on me, yeah. Shackles on my D, you broke the heart and not breathing. Even in the darkest times, you kept it right. The party stopped to start, lost my hope and lost my way. I let my lust to bring destruction, no discussion with the God who gave me grace. 5:46 in the morning, mind still turning, God had to bring me.
Continue straight for 4 minutes to State Route 170 North. Turn right on Victory Boulevard.
I just want to take a few. Alright guys, I'm in my first inspection. I just finished it. It's a pretty good car, SLK 55. It's going for $18,000, has 79,000 miles on it. First inspection. What's up everybody? This is my second inspection today. I'm in Linwood, going to a smaller car dealer called Cars RS. Should be right up here. It's Linwood, California. There it is. Lots of cars. How's it going, sir? I need to look at the 2012 Nissan Sentra. Alright guys, I'm here inspecting this Nissan. 123,000 miles on it. I got the AC on, make sure the AC works. Checking the window motors. The door locks. And AC's blowing really cold, so AC works. Alright everybody, I'm leaving this dealership. They have a lot of cars, a lot of older inventory, but nonetheless a lot of cars still.
Yeah. Yeah, it's called a lower ball joint. It's bad.
For $4 breakfast deal.
Can trust you if it's special. Without wide open now, I finally see. It's in
Right?
all I got is one shot, one try.